Welcome back to In-Depth Analysis. A few days ago, about 2-3 days ago, Malam Nasir El-rufai was on Channels Television where he condemned the way the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Uba Sani of Kaduna State is handling the security situation in Kaduna State. Now, I'll be showing you guys that clip, which is about 40 seconds. Then the next clip is all about how he himself, Malam Nasir El-rufai, handled the security situation when he was governor. So let's start with how the government of Tinubu and Uba Sani is handling the security situation. Watch this.
What I will not do, okay, is to pay bandits, give them monthly allowance, or send food to them in the name of non-kinetic. It's nonsense. Wow. We are empowering bandits.
It's not the
government of Kaduna State. It's a national policy driven by the Office of National Security Advisor, and Kaduna is part of it. That is the policy now. Kiss the bandits. That's the new policy. You do not negotiate from a position of weakness. You don't empower your enemy. You don't give him money to go and buy more sophisticated weapons. That's why the insecurity problem has not gone away and will not go away as long as this policy continues. This government has been around for 2 years. 3 schools have been attacked. And they paid the bandits. They paid them 1 billion naira the first time the school was attacked and students abducted.
Wow.
They are paying bandits. They are apologizing to them. They are
finding this information about 1 billion naira being paid.
Wow. Look, let the governor or anyone come and deny. We have the evidence. When the time comes, we reveal everything. They are paying bandits. They are empowering bandits. This is what this government is doing.
And you think that will not work?
It will not work. It has never worked anywhere in the world.
Now, before I play you guys the next clip on how he himself handled the security situation when he was governor, I have this serious question to ask. Why is it that we keep paying and rewarding the perpetrators of crime, yet the victims of the crime is let and allowed to wallow away in the IDP camps? Anyway, that's something I'll be dealing with in the next video, subsequent video. But for now, let's come back to El-rufai, how he handled the security situation when he was governor of Kaduna State. Now listen to Malam.
Now, on the 3rd of December 2016, it was widely published that you had a meeting with a select group of journalists, and you did brief them that your government has traced some violent, aggrieved Fulani to their countries and paid them to stop killings of Southern Kaduna natives and the destruction of their communities, saying that the renewed violence is carried out by bandits. Could you explain this to us?
Well, look, yes, we offered them money. We said, look, if we have to pay you not to kill our people, we're happy to do it.
Is that the only solution that you're adopting, to pay them to stop the killing?
That is the only solution we can see. If anyone has a better solution, you should give us. If you have somebody in Guinea that you cannot prove is responsible for this, but you say, look, we apologize, this has happened. But it didn't happen in my time. Okay, I'm the governor now, this has happened. We apologize that you are caught up in our domestic issues. Have you lost cattle? We can pay. Have you lost lives? We can pay compensation. What we were trying to do was offering money to them to say, don't kill our people. Okay. I am prepared to offer you money if you feel that you're offended and you are going to collect people to come and kill people. I'm prepared to offer you money not to do it. I have no apologies for that.
We are finished.